Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. This is an update video regarding the latest 6-inch long-range quadcopter by Rekon FPV. On my recent endurance test, I was able to cover a total distance of about 17 kilometers in 16 minutes using an 18650 4S lithium-ion battery pack, and as I mentioned in my full review of this quadcopter, I think that it can do better using a 21700 4S lithium-ion battery pack, since it's a more powerful quadcopter than the Rekon 5 and of course than the Rekon 4. So today in this video I'm going to test it out. As for this 21700 4S lithium-ion battery pack, I've assembled it by myself using a spot welder and Vapcell 21700 20 ampere 4500 mAh rated battery cells. There are many fake batteries in the market and I can confirm that these ones are pretty good, although I wasn't able to pull 20 amperes out of these batteries, so I could only get about 15 amperes constant current, which is still sufficient for the Rekon 6, as I can estimate that while cruising the current draw is about 13 amperes. And after performing a couple of capacity tests, I've confirmed that the actual capacity of these batteries is between 4300 to 4400 milliamperes, which is pretty close to the declared capacity. In addition, the weight of the 21700 4S lithium-ion battery pack is 314.8 grams, so it's about 105 grams heavier than the 18650 lithium-ion battery pack, and I was suggested to use Molicel 21700 battery cells, so I'm about to purchase a couple of these batteries and on an upcoming video test them out. Now, after this quick introduction, I'm going to show you some of the flight footage from my latest endurance test of the bigger 2700 battery pack, and as you're about to see, while flying at pretty much the same pace like in my previous endurance test, I was able to cover about 50% more ground, which is in my opinion pretty impressive. So in case you would like to go far, the 21700 battery pack is definitely a better option. Keep in mind though that the quadcopter is going to be a little bit heavier, but anyway, both lithium-ion batteries are mainly suitable for cruising around. Now, by the way, in case you have sharp eyes, you might notice that the TBS Crossfire 69, which I've recently reviewed, is assembled on this quadcopter, but in this video that I'm about to show you, I didn't use it, so the original Zeus VTX was assembled on the Rekon 6, but on an upcoming video, which is going to be released hopefully in the next couple of days, I'm going to perform a range test and see how far I can get with this VTX. I hope you will enjoy the rest of this video, and as always, if you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments section down below. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up if you like this video, and consider subscribing to my channel and hitting the notifications bell if you're not already subscribed. See you on my next videos, and goodbye.